Hello, my name is Rafał Detz. I work in the service department at SaMASZ as a service engineer. In this presentation, I will introduce and discuss the features of P10-1100 T trailed tether. First, I'll explain how to attach the tether to a tractor, followed by a discussion on its technical specifications and operational guidance. Before connecting the tether to the tractor, ensure the hitch is correctly configured. On the P10 model, the drawbar can be rotated by 180 degrees and adjusted for connection to either a top transport hitch or a lower field hitch. Once the correct hitch setting is selected, you can proceed with attaching the tether. The first step is to connect the drawbar to the tractor's transport hitch, followed by plugging in the hydraulic lines and electrical cable. In its standard configuration, the P10 requires 2 hydraulic sections from the tractor. If equipped with the optional side cover, which prevents forage from being thrown out the field edge, requires an additional hydraulic section. Connect the hoses in pairs, following the Kenfix connector color coding. Before beginning operation, check and adjust the length of the wide-angle PTO shaft between the tractor and the machine. Measure at the shortest distance between the tractor shaft and the tether's shaft. Often, the shaft will be too long during the initial setup and must be shortened to avoid damage to the machine or tractor. Install the shaft with the overload clutch on the tether side. Once the shaft is properly installed, raise the support stand. All SaMASZ tethers allow for adjustment of the spreading angle by changing the position of the running wheels. On the P10-1100 T, an additional adjustment is available via a lever on the main frame. The correct clearance between the working tines and the ground is between 1 to 4 centimeters. The inclination angle of the working unit should be between 15 degrees and 20 degrees. For heavy conditions with dense forage, the tine inclination can be adjusted by rotating the oval washer by 180 degrees. Always unfold the tether on level ground. Unfolding on a slope can damage the hydraulic cylinders or other components. The P10 is equipped with hydraulic cylinders for folding to transport, lifting to headland position, and raising or lowering the side guards. Choke valves in the hydraulic system regulate cylinder speed. Due to a different rotor rotation directions, ensure that tines are installed correctly. Always check the rotation direction of each rotor before replacing tines. The drive system includes a drive shaft with overload clutch, built-in shaft, central gearbox, and gearboxes driving the rotors. Additionally, the tether is equipped with plastic safety plugs to prevent tine loss in the event of tine breakage. Rotor gearboxes are lubricated with semi-fluid grease, EPX00 grade. The central gearbox operates in an oil bath using 80W90 oil. Perform the first oil change after 50 hours of operation, and then every 500 hours, or at least annually. All moving parts and joints requiring periodic lubrication are marked with grease point decals. Check the tire pressure. Before use, the correct value is indicated on the decal. When considering a purchase of a tether, explore the available options offered by SaMASZ. Machine can be equipped with spare wheels mounted on the frame and a hydraulically operated side cover for field edge tedding. Starting operation. Use the yellow connector for folding the machine. Use the red connectors to unfold the machine. If equipped, use the blue connectors to operate the side cover for field edge tedding. Start the PTO and gradually increase the RPM until it reaches 540 RPM at the tractor output shaft. After use, thoroughly wash the tedder. Consistent maintenance is essential for the machine's long service life. Thank you for your time, and don't forget the most important thing, always read the instruction manual before operating the machine. See you next time.